On the eave here, obviously I have ice and water shield. You can see it's sticky, drip edge. 1 layer shingles. What appears to be a starter in there. Okay, we're on the back slope here. Obviously we got the affected shingles here. It looks like they did a great job mitigating this. It did affect, the shingles around here are going to have to be, replaced as they are affected. We're going to pull a shingle for ITEL number 1, and number 2, we're going to see if this roof's pliable and repairable. So we got the area marked off. We're going to go ahead and make an attempt to pull this shingle right here, so we can get it sent for ITEL. Again, these 2 shingles have been affected. We got the consequential damage through the top shingle with the proper mitigation. This shingle, as we all know, it's going to be well to the ridge here, which also will be affected. And therefore this shingle should be okay for the ITEL here. But let's see if these shingles are repairable and pliable. As you can see, we got some mass transfer there, and we got a failed attempted repair there. We were trying to be very careful. These shingles are sealed down very, very well. So as you can see, we got a tear in the shingle. Let's get a picture of that as well. Okay. And again, we will get all these videos sent into Allstate. It is important to note this is a hip roof. So we are going to continue trying to get this. And again here, we have enough, and we did bring up some synthetic felt tar, but this is, it's repair attempt, clear failure here. We're going to document that here. Okay, we're going to continue. Obviously, we need this shingle for ITEL. And again, this is, come on here. These shingles are just really, they're just really sealed down. Okay. Continue. We need to pull this shingle for ITEL here. I see. Again, we have ITEL should still be able to determine the what this is. It kind of looks like a certainty of some sort. Okay, get that. Oh man, so we got a rip here. These shingles they're doing their job. They're sealed down very well, and they just, as you can see, I'm still trying to pull this ITEL here, and it's okay. Come on here. Not the smartest to wear pants here. Wear shorts. Again, we will make sure this is mitigated. We got some synthetic felt. Just trying to get this shingle out. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay, we got the shingle. How about that? Yeah. It'd be nice if the adjusters did this. For the policy holders, I know we used to back in the day at Allstate, but it's okay. Okay, that should hold it. Okay, again, we got this temp in here. We're gonna get the ITEL shingle sent out. A reminder, this is a hip roof. We do have a failed repair. You can see that I did try my very, very best to mitigate this and get that synthetic felt, you know, up under there. And again, this is expected on the front slopes as well. Let's take a closer look at these valleys. You got a yellow jacket there. Hopefully it stays away. All right, so these valleys on this hip roof, there's gonna be overlap here. So what you're seeing here, we can chalk this up so I get a picture of it. This shingle right here is gonna come, you know, at least 6 inches into this adjoining slope. And these are nailed down here, okay? These are nailed down over top. Obviously, so they don't blow off, but they're nailed into this shingle. So that, even though we just have the affected shingle on the front slope, due to this being a hip with a dormer here, adjacent dormer, this is going to need to be replaced. And again, you guys saw the failed repair, adjoining valley. Pretty cut and dry. Same with this dormer here. Obviously, you got the felt overlap. The ridge cap's going to need to be replaced, and you know, this whole roof's going to need to be addressed. I mean, it's a hip roof. We're not dealing with a gable. This is a beautiful neighborhood, and I'm confident Allstate is going to take care of them because, you know, he's in good hands. Getting a little close up here on this dormer. You know, we got the dormer valley going underneath the front slope here. Again, we're on the front slope, affected slope here, and we're going to be, you know, at least 6 inches, and we're going to have nails all through, you know, this shingle. Obviously, there's ice and water shield underneath here, and so forth. But yeah, it's gonna affect. And then again, as you see here, still on the front slope, we got the adjoining valley, and the left hip here. These shingles again, are traveling, you know, at least 6 inches nailed down. It's, you know, they're affected on the back slope here. This hip, you know, it's all affected. It's all going to need to be replaced. And again, beautiful neighborhood. Everyone's got new roofs. I'm sure the carriers took care of them. That's what it looks like. They all look pretty new. And Mr. Brack, you know, he's in good hands with Allstate, and confident they're gonna, you know, put the right foot in the right direction and get our mutual customer taken care of.